Mastering everyday English. Take a shower. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're going to delve into a common English phrase that you've probably heard many times: take a shower. Understanding phrases like these are crucial for your everyday English conversations. So, let's make sure you can use this phrase confidently. When someone says they're going to take a shower, they simply mean they are going to clean themselves. It's an action that involves standing under a spray of water to wash one's body, usually in a bathroom. This is a personal hygiene activity that most people do daily. In different cultures, the practices of bathing can vary, but in English-speaking countries, taking a shower is a very common phrase and activity. It's seen as a quick and efficient way to get clean, as opposed to taking a bath, which involves filling up a bathtub with water and soaking in it for a while. Let's see how to use take a shower in sentences. I take a shower every morning before breakfast. Are you going to take a shower before we go out? After my workout, I always take a long, hot shower. Notice that the phrase can be modified with adjectives like long or hot to give more information about the shower. There are also variations of this phrase that you might hear. Have a shower, commonly used in British English. Get in the shower implies the action of entering the shower space to start the process. Shower up, slang for taking a shower, often used in sports or military contexts. And there you have it. You're now familiar with the phrase, take a shower, and how to use it like a native speaker. We hope this video has clarified things for you and made your English language journey a bit easier. Keep practicing, and don't forget to take a shower in English next time. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.